Ladies and gentlemen, this is Chambers Street. Access to Old Bypass Station, please transfer to northbound platform. Versus next day, Kurt Bulldog. Ladies and gentlemen, passengers wishing to exit the train at California Street Station must use the next opportunity to enter the train on the first five cars. First five cars in front of the conductor's position. First five cars only will open up at California Street Station. Thank you for your cooperation. Great job, great job.